Hey, tap in, y'all. It's Chris here with a restock recipe of the week. So, since the price of groceries have gotten insane, we've taken to restocking our pantry needs ourselves. And today's restock recipe will be brown sugar. Why? Because I ain't buying it. The recipe is really simple. It starts off with granulated sugar, and then our second ingredient is molasses. So this recipe is a 1-to-1 ratio, meaning we're going to start with 1 cup of granulated sugar, and to that we're going to add 1 tablespoon, that's the big one, of molasses. Molasses is extremely sticky, so I do suggest using a rubber spatula, but just do your best to get as much of it out as you can. Once you've mixed those two ingredients together, you're just going to take a fork and press it on into the sugar. You'll see in this video that I'm kind of pressing downward with my fork, and honestly, right after I recorded this, y'all, I found that if you just turn your fork prong side down and stir clockwise, it'll blend it so much easier. But, you live and learn. Once you can see that all of the molasses has joined in with your granulated sugar, you'll have this beautiful light brown color. If you were looking to make a dark brown sugar, you can do 2 tablespoons of molasses to 1 cup of sugar. But essentially, we just store this in an airtight container. I like to press my brown sugar down to keep out any air bubbles and to keep it nice and moist. And I will be using this moving forward with all of my baked goods and with my oatmeal and things like that. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment and let us know if you like this type of content and what recipes you want to see us do moving forward. Have a good day, guys.